Looking for maximum protection for your Pixel 6 Pro? Well, Poetic has you covered. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have two cases from Poetic, the Revolution case and the Guardian case. Both of these cases can be had for the same price of $25.95. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick these up for your Pixel 6 Pro or your Pixel 6. It is available for both phones. So let's go ahead and start with their most rugged case here, and it will be the Revolution case. Now the Revolution case is one of their most famous cases here. We will need a unboxing knife to unbox this packaging. Bam. And we are included with a screen protector accessories. We do have a kickstand guide, how to use the kickstand, which is absolutely amazing. And we do have two separate ones, one with out the screen protector, and we do have one with the screen protector there. So this one, it is compatible with your fingerprint design, but I do have a screen protector currently installed, and it's one of those soft TPU ones, so I'm probably gonna use the other one because I don't want to damage this one here. So basically it is protected both sides. You have to peel this off. It does come with your screen protector accessories, so make sure you screen the display, especially right there where the fingerprint is, so you can get a nice and good solid adhere to it, so your fingerprint would work all the time. I'm not a big fan of these screen protectors there, but it's there for you if you want to use it. This one, on the other hand, comes with a separate one that does not have a screen protector, because I currently have one installed on my Pixel 6 Pro. Let's go ahead and grab this bad boy. So simply install the frame like that, bam, on there, and this just slides in. Just kind of slide it in like that and work that all around the case easily. And dude, it adds a bunch of bulk and feel and grip to your device here. Looks and feels amazing. And that outer portion, the first piece, it is tempered glass. It's not tempered glass. Well, it does work with my TPU screen protector, so it's not peeling on it or anything like that, so that is good. Look at that bad boy, it is massive. So if you're looking for absolute protection, maximum protection for your Pixel, this one is the one for you. The ports are nice and precise, as you can see. No issues with the ports itself there. Easily nice and precise. And you do have a port cover there, so no dust or debris will get into your charging port there. The cutout for the mic, nice and precise. Nothing on the left side. And on the right, the buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive. You can hear that click loud and clear. And you do have that kickstand, so the kickstand, bam. So if you want to go ahead and watch videos on your Pixel in landscape mode, you most definitely can, and I believe you can watch it in portrait mode as well. So the phone does not tip, so this kickstand works both ways, in portrait and in landscape. So no issues with the kickstand whatsoever. Bam, click. Now, does this wirelessly charge through the case? And this is a MagSafe charger, and as you can see, it wirelessly charges through the case, even with the MagSafe charger. Look at that, bam, it wirelessly charges with no issue there, which is absolutely fantastic. We don't have to worry about your phone not wireless charging through this case, because it does add enough bulk. Look at that bulk it adds to your Pixel 6 Pro, but it is nice and protected. Look at all that rugged protection you have. You have two options to rock one. If you already have a TPU screen protector, which is probably the best you can get right now currently, there's no glass protectors that are out there that are good for the Pixel 6 Pro. But if you don't have one, make sure you use this one and make sure you follow the instructions on how to install this one itself. So now let's move on to the Guardian case, which is a little bit less rugged than the Revolution case from Poetic. And to peel the case off, it is nice and easy to peel the phone. The case does not hold your phone hostage. As you can see, it's just start at the corner with the little cutout and peel back and remove the frame from each other, and you're good to go. So up next we have the Guardian case. Now the Guardian case does add enough protection, but it's not as rugged as the Revolution case. This one's a little bit more sleeker. It gives you all clear plastic on the back, so you can look at that beautiful color you picked out from your Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro. Bam, look at that. And it does have that same type of screen protector technology there, and it does come with the wipes and all the accessories needed to properly install that screen protector and make sure the fingerprint reader works. Like I said in the other case portion, I am not going to be using this one because I do have a TPU screen protector currently installed, so we're going to go ahead and rock with the one without the screen protector because I already have one, and it's a bonus that they do this for you. This is absolutely amazing that they give you an option to rock one with or without. See, you want options. That's all we need is options. Is all we want. So Pixel 6 Pro, place the front portion of the case in, and you kind of just slide it in just like we did with the other one, and voila, you're ready to rock and roll. Now of course this front portion of the case works with the TPU screen protector I currently have. It doesn't peel back or anything of that, so that is absolutely amazing. You're not going to be able, it's not going to interfere with that and peel back your TPU screen protector. But look at that, adds some bulk but in a slim and fashionable way. Look at that, clear in the back so you can see the color of your Pixel. I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed, and I forgot to mention that both cases work just fine with that tempered glass screen protector. Look at that. And of course the lip found on the back and on the front of the case is way tremendous. You can see that it majority of the protection is here on the top and the bottom in regards to both cases, because it is a curved display on both cases. It is going to protect it though. If you lay your phone on its front on a flat surface, you are going to protect that beautiful Pixel 6 Pro screen on both cases. I forgot to mention in the other one, but you are protected with that same amount of lip protection there on top and bottom. And that camera lens is protected even with a tempered glass screen protector there for the camera lens. You do still have a tremendous amount of lip around that, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. No issues with your camera getting scratched. But look at that, it looks absolutely amazing, feels good. It adds the protection you need. It gives you peace of mind, so when you're out there in this rugged world, you drop your Pixel, because I've seen people drop their Pixels and shattered their Pixels. You don't want that to happen to you. Make sure you get a Guardian case or a Revolution case from Poetic. Now, does this wirelessly charge? And it does wirelessly charge to the case. Of course it does, because the other one does and this one does as well. So no issues with your case here. Look at that, it looks good. All the buttons are nice and covered, nothing on the left side. On the right, nice and tactile as well, nice and clicky, just like the Revolution case. And your ports are nice and precise, and you do have your port cover there for your Type-C to prevent any lint or debris getting into your charging port there. And the mic on top, nice and precise. Beautiful cases from Poetic. Now, you have two options from Poetic. You have the Guardian and the Revolution case, both at the same price, $25.95. more rugged style looking case here with the Revolution, and then more sleeker kind of stylish case here with the Guardians. Both offer great protection for your Pixel 6 Pro, both at a affordable price, $25.95. Links will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick these up. If you have any questions regarding any of these two cases, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.